Now this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create two columns and also introduce the concept of browser prefixes. So to do this, go back to the web page. I've got these two lists that I did in an earlier tutorial, a unordered list here and a ordered list on top of each other. So that's good if you're in a mobile, mobile phone, smartphone. You can just look down and it fits the screen pretty good. But as soon as you start going out here and getting into desktop, laptop and tablet sort of sizes, you can see there's a lot of space. So you want to get this over here. So how do I do that? Well, one quick way is to create an article element. So wrap these both in an article, for instance, and a closing article tag here at the bottom. Okay, and I'll save that, and then in my CSS I'll select that article element as such, and then put a column count and make it 2. Now this won't do anything. If I have a look, say in the Firefox browser, I'll click nothing. So now what I need to do is, I know this isn't supported fully yet. It needs a prefix if it's not supported by the browser yet. So basically what's happening here is that the browser is looking at supporting it, and they're sort of testing it basically. So at the moment you need to put their prefix there before they actually fully release it. But I won't bore you with all those details, but basically because it's a Mozilla Firefox browser, all I need is a moz with these two things here, and it should now work. If I go back to the web page, here we are. See, now it jumps over to there, so I've got two columns, and if I take away that moz that I just created and go back to the Firefox, nothing. Back to one line again. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll demonstrate that in a Safari, so what I'll do here is I'll just open up Safari, move that across, and not displaying yet, but if I press there, it works in WebKit as it does in Chrome and Opera, which I can't, there it is, Opera, or Opera, however you want to pronounce that. Opera's, I think, probably, anyway, it doesn't matter. There we are. So it all works with the WebKit, but if I take away the WebKit, once again that'll now, well, that's not working in the Firefox because I haven't done that Moz one, and now the other ones, I'll just demonstrate that. So nope, and nope, and no. So yeah, see, all I need is the is what's called the browser prefix, which in this case is WebKit. WebKit being the people who make those particular browsers that I just showed you. It's a good thing to look up on Google. Just look it up. There's different browser prefixes for the Internet Explorer and all the rest of them. So there we go. Back, it's working again because I put the browser. So that's an introduction to column count and how to use the browser prefix.